So making a little demo of the new UI interactions I've got. So whenever the firearm raycaster, which is only used for UI, hits a UI element, we've got our reticle and our raycaster that come on. So not only can you interact with all the simple UI elements, but initially getting this to be friendly with the drop-down list was complicated. So now we have a firearm that can go from UI interactions to firing rigid projectiles and overall just seamlessly transitioning. So it took a while, but it's acting nice now. And you'll see a little bit of stutter on and off because whenever we are on the UI, we're doing pose easing to make it so that doing click options like this is simple, but then you'll see that stutter when it comes off because it's now tracking without any easing there. So usability wise, I'm fine with that little jump.